How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back. Today we are doing another X-ray video as always. So what we are doing, as you guys saw maybe in the last video, we just picked up this engine from the junkyard. Being that it is a junkyard engine, we're going to tear it down, new seals, new parts, everything like that. So it's really just going to be a tear down video for you of a Jeep 4-liter for an XJ. Specifically, this is a 2001 XJ motor, I believe. This is a 2000 XJ. Let's get into it. So we're going to start on this half of the engine, working at stuff to get off the intake and exhaust manifolds, starting with the fuel rail, a couple 10mm bolts. Same thing with the throttle body, 4 10mm bolts, one in each corner. Pop those things off, get the injectors out, and then we'll get working at the intake and exhaust manifold bolts. I also have labeled bags set out ready to go for all the hardware, just so I can keep track of it all. You don't have to do this, but it helps. Next, guys, we're going to work on getting the exhaust and intake manifold bolts on. They're shared except for two in the bottom corners, both on the left and the right. I recommend leaving those in just so you can take the intake manifold off and have the exhaust manifold stay in place. But if you get all the rest out, the intake manifold will come off. So we'll get working on that.
Your free trial.
Wide world. And toys. Lately, some of my kin do. Guess it's because my daddy's name. Take it over. Try to put yourself in.
Alright, guys, you saw I took off the thermostat housing quick and removed that. Next, we're going to get off the water pump pulley and the water pump itself. Then we'll move around to the other side and start hitting all the ignition stuff. So now that those 4 bolts are out, this just slips on there like that, and you got one sleeve for each spark plug in there. So we'll get those out, and that's all I want to do for this side. Next up, we want to take off the cylinder head. First, we got to get the valve cover off. You got assortment of bolts going around the whole thing. So for the head bolts, guys, you need somewhat of a specialty tool. It's a 1/2 inch deep socket 12 point. You got 7 on each side, so I'm going to hit them with some PB first.
He told me it was and I told him it was not the perfect song because he sat down and wrote it.
When you take off your rockers and your push rods, make sure you keep them in order of how you took them off. Doesn't matter as long as you remember which front, back, and make sure they just go back in the same way they came out. So now the head is free except for these 2 bolts right here. This is a 9/16 bolt that are on the AC compressor bracket. So we just got to remove them 2 yet, and then the head will pop right off. So I got all the oil drained out of the engine, got it turned over upside down now. So here's the oil pan. That's coming off next here for us. We have a bunch of 7/16 bolts going around the perimeter, and we have 4 1/2 inch bolts in each corner. So we'll get hitting those, and we'll get this oil pan off. Now that we have the oil pan off, we can go ahead and take off this girdle here. It's the piece that runs the length of the engine that goes on the bottom of the crank, since we're going to be doing the rear main seal. So we'll go take off these 9/16 nuts. Now with the girdle removed, we can get to this last bearing cap, take off the 2 bolts holding that in, and that is where our rear main seal will sit. So to get off the bearing cap, we have two 13/16 bolts. So we'll rip them out. Get that bearing cap off. Being careful not to drop it because they crack pretty easy. And there sits our rear main seal, the lower half, and then the upper half is punched into the block there. So now that the motor is completely tore down right where I need it to be, that is pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. I will have a separate one where we rebuild it, put all the seals on it, all that good stuff. So that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed the content, you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.